Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts section, then tap add account, then select Google. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then confirm and then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And in the last step you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. If you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you don't need this feature, remove tick from here and tap accept. An account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, select it here and tap remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.